Today on our Wavespreneur segment, where we celebrate youthful, useful, and enduring Nigerian entrepreneurs, we had an extensive, deep, and exploring chat with Jesse Onomiwo, a computer science graduate of the University of Lagos with over 7 years' experience as a digital marketing professional. Jesse is a certified e-business professional in customer relationship from EC Council University, Massachusetts, United States of America. He co-owns the world's only waterless car interior-only detailing company, which achieves car cleaning based on nanotechnology. Sit back and enjoy the educating and informative interview session with one of the brains behind Autosparkle.
My name is Jesse Onomiwo and I'm co-founder and CEO of Autosparkle. Autosparkle is the world's first and only car detailing brand that focuses on the interior of cars and the engines. So what we basically do is deep cleaning of cars without the use of water. And this service, we carry it out and take it to the customers in their chosen location. So I am a graduate of computer sciences from the University of Lagos. After graduation, I took some time out to specialize in digital marketing. So I have over 7 years experience in digital marketing, working across over 11 industries, and then working on international and local brands, including the likes of Pepsi, Vitafoam, Heineken, and many more. Okay, so I'm co-founder, and the name of my co-founder is Genesis Onomiwo, and he happens to be my brother. We started this, we got this idea so many years back before we went into the university. And what happened was we looked around and discovered that there are a lot of busy workers, especially bankers, who don't have the time to go to a car wash during the weekends because they've been busy all week. They want to rest during the week and during the weekend. So we thought about it that what could we offer them in terms of taking care of their cars without having to go and queue at a car wash. So what we did together was we started out going to their offices where we cleaned their cars while they worked. And that's how we birthed the idea for mobile car detailing and washing. Okay, so like I just explained right now, for me, auto detailing started before I went into university. We started exploring this idea before I went into university, and for me, what led me even to go study computer sciences was I was looking for how to push business with technology. So once I achieved that, I now went back to applying technology into business. So right now, my capacity in the company is no more about detailing, even though I do product and service research, but I'm more at the management level, so I deal more on the business side of things. So for me, and then my background in computing and my work experience in digital marketing has really helped to pivot the company, to push the company, because we've been leveraging on technology for the most part. Okay, so my target market is not as restricted as imagined. Yeah, of course, the proportion of regular cars to luxury cars the gap is really wide. But then there is the advantage of dealing with or serving that particular market. It's just that we're deliberate about the market that we're serving, because they value what we are offering, and then at the end of the day, the kind of returns you get from maybe 10 regular cars, you can get it in one luxury car, because they understand what you have to offer, and then you are going the extra mile for them. Funny enough, there are loads of them. The market for luxury cars in Nigeria is also expanding on a yearly basis. We have a lot of luxury cars coming into the country, used and brand new. So the market is a continually growing one. Yeah. Okay, so the concept of waterless technology for us is actually based on nanotechnology. So we have some special cleaning agents that are formulated to weaken dirt, and then they are actually plant-based. They are eco-friendly materials where they have that power to weaken the dirt, and we have special materials to capture them. So it's more like a it's still, we call them special solution that have the capacity to achieve such. Okay, so yeah, one of the basic challenges in this industry is the novelty of the industry, or the novelty of what we offer. So a lot of people are used to the regular washing of their cars, or car washes, and then you come with something different and tell them that this is going to produce an amazing result and this is how much it's going to cost. That challenge most times comes with the challenge most times is usually around pricing. We have a good number of people that will go through and want to give it a try, but others will just want to back out because it seems strange to them. They've never experienced something like that before. They can't imagine what you're talking about. Even though they see the pictures, they see the befores and afters, they're still skeptical a bit. So that's one of the challenges with this industry. People expect you to produce the kind of the result they imagine in their minds, but they are not willing to pay the price for it. Okay, so at Autosparkle, I will just give you a range of the cost. The price might change anytime, so I'm not going to. Okay, so you could have a service as low as 15,000 naira, and you could have a service as high as 150,000 naira. That's the range, depends on what you want to achieve. Trust me, the experience has been exciting. It's really been exciting. It's been more exciting when we decided to determine who our target audience is. That made a whole lot of difference for us. With that, we've not been chasing shadows or expending our energy in places that don't really matter. So the experience has been, it has also been one of growth. One where we've been able to get feedback from our customers, feedback from prospects to know what their exact needs are, and then adjust to produce or provide such services for them and meet their needs. And those have actually helped us to increase our revenues as well. So that has been an exciting journey. I'll say generally, as an entrepreneur, I've learned to not think you're going to be able to serve everybody. That for me has been the most remarkable lesson. And I feel, apart from the detailing industry, in the entrepreneurship world generally, a lot of people, I've talked to fellow entrepreneurs and you ask them, who are you serving? And they're like, I serve everybody. And in my mind, I'm like, are you serious? So you're just going to be expanding your marketing budget on all categories of people, even those who cannot pay for your services. And so for me, that made the whole lot of difference. Yeah. You can never catch me idle. I'm either working or I'm resting. So the mind has to be busy, or you're resting from a lot of work that you've done. Idling away is it's counterproductive. You shouldn't be caught just staring in the skies, not doing anything. Just, your mind has to be busy, or your mind has to be so relaxed. In the form of sleep, in the form of relaxation, play, either watching a movie, or you're doing actual work, but not doing anything. One of the biggest challenges we're trying to overcome right now is the challenge of scaling up, and this is tied to funding. Because of the novelty of the industry, a lot of people don't really understand. They don't understand the peculiarity of the industry. They don't understand. They can't fully grasp the potential of the industry. So you are speaking to a potential investor and is thinking about a traditional car wash. He's thinking about location. While a lot of people want the services at the tap of their phone, they want you to come to them, they are not getting it, you know. So they want to look at the numbers from the traditional angle. They don't understand the building blocks that are involved in your own kind of business. So it's been a challenge trying to get the funds to scale, because at the moment, for instance, we have calls, we have requests, demands from other states in Nigeria, a few outside the country as well. So, but we've been postponing this expansion because of, you know, lack of funds. Most times, the funds that come in, you're applying back into the business, you're bootstrapping, and then there's little left for you to want to explore a new geography, for instance. Is car detailing profitable in Nigeria? I would say yes and no. Or I wouldn't say yes and no. I would say it's still a journey we are on. For us, we would say it has been profitable, although the operational costs, when they come in, you know, because of the environment we are in, they begin to eat into the profit. But generally, it has been profitable for us because we have been able to define where we want to play in. But generally, profit is threatened by the fact that a lot of people still feel, why do I have to pay this much for this service? So you wouldn't find a lot of people coming in or opting for the detailing option. They just want to be very economical and use the regular car washes.